Wow, folks, I'm right in the market there, trying to get some stuff for the children. As you can see, Ellie is right here. Wow, but it's been a rainy day.
It's still raining.
It's still raining, right? Wow, it's just been raining all along. This is material for the students. I just get all this stuff for the students, you know. But however, I just came across this girl I've been watching all along. So seeing her today is so amazing. Yeah, I've been watching her too. Yeah, she's been making content. So wow, she's right here. What's up?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Giuseppe Fobe.
Giuseppe Fobe. How are you?
28.
Oh, 28 years old. You got child or children?
No.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. It's nice meeting you anyway. Yeah, I've been watching you too. Yeah, I've been watching you too. I'm a content creator also. But on YouTube, you can check for Brother Sherry. Yeah, I make video along with this girl. Yeah. You know her?
Yes.
What's her name?
Ellie.
Oh, Ellie. Wow. So which part of Voinjama you live?
Bienne Market.
Oh, Bienne Market. Can you show me the place here? Where you live? Can you walk with me?
I can't Bienne Market.
You know, just stand here. Just direct me. Yeah.
Bienne B.
Oh, Bienne B house.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, you have phone?
Yeah.
Oh, can you call your number for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, please call your number.
0771
0771
51
Fif-
54 0771
Can we start?
54.
Yeah, come here. Yeah.
0771
0771
54
54
57
57
91.
91. That's your number. Yeah, record it back.
0771
0771
54
54
57
57
91.
91. All right, folks, that's Josephine's number right there. So probably everybody can contact Josephine. She's also a content creator. Yeah, I love been watching her and then seeing her in the market today. And how you survive here?
I can see.
You can say, what are you selling? Oh, please take it. Let me see it. Oh, wow, wow. They're so amazing, folks. They're so amazing. Yeah. Seeing her like this, she is so courageous. Yeah, she has really courage. Yeah, this house, she's been really supporting herself. Yeah. Oh, she got a high school? You got a high school?
Yeah.
Which school you graduated from?
Free Pentecostal.
Free Pentecostal. So what are you intending to do next?
If I get opportunity, I want to go back to school.
Oh, if you got an opportunity, you want to go back to school? That's so great. So somebody can really support her. Yeah, seriously. You know, she's determined to achieve her degree. I don't know what she want to do in school. I don't know. What do you want to do in school?
I want to do criminal justice.
You want to do criminal justice? Wow, Ellie, what's the intake on that?
That's what you do. Criminal justice.
Wow. So probably anybody will contact you. As you said that you don't want to go to school, you don't want to achieve your education and graduating from high school, you know, stopping this fire, selling this, surviving on this. So this is what you've been surviving on. This is why you've been surviving on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ellie, I want to buy from her. Yeah. How much for it? How much for it?
No, $20.
This one how much?
$20.
Ellie, take this one.
Wow, I see tomorrow.
Napkins?
She come out. Let's see.
Yeah, $20, right?
I haven't done it yet.
Got $10?
Yes.
Thank you so much, yeah? Go, baby! Alright, thank you, yeah? I will call you, yeah? Oh, wow. She really been making videos all along, yeah. She's a hustler. She been actually hustling, though. Folks, so, Ellie, how you look at it? She said you don't want to go to school.
She's someone that already determined for school.
How long you been knowing her? For past 6 years, you really been knowing her. Wow.
She's someone that very respectful.
Yeah. Actually, you know, seeing her like this and then appearing on camera, it's like she's familiar with camera, right? Wow. Today been a rainy day and we've been struggling to get the children school materials. So these are the materials here, you know. So now, huh? But you don't sell plenty in the kitchen there. Yeah, let's go there now. Ellie want to prepare me plenty for tomorrow. Ellie is very good at taking care of Brother Sharif. But she can do all of these things, but we don't sleep together. And she's saying that she's saying that she want to travel along with me, and we need to explore the southeastern, probably in the dry season. Yeah, and our trip will be successful. We pray.
Transportation.
Yeah, that's rare. Yeah, and a hotel bill, right? Wow.
Getting to
yeah. This is too heavy. Huh? Yeah, let's go. Today just been a rainy day. Yesterday and today, I don't know. It's just been raining throughout. Ellie, they want to walk, you can enjoy it. Huh? We have to walk, we have to get pull inside. How much for planting? This is $100? This is $50? Arrow soup can be sweet too. I said arrow soup can be sweet too. We're starting for plenty first. Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, please, yeah. I'm coming right back. Yeah. Where? This one, you mean? Now this one you're talking about? What I thinking? Catch my house no. You want to show over there? Huh? Yeah. Anyway, it's raining. Anybody, you can know well. Yeah. Sorry, I was here now. I was sitting right here. How are you? Yeah, they were all right for me. How are you? I'm supposed to speak now. I'm supposed to speak, right? Yeah, folks, it's just been a rainy day throughout the day. See the time right now, we are pushing 4:37. Just raining, but we need to get a plenty. Not plenty there. I say. Huh? I get 250 for all. I get you 250. I beg you, auntie. I beg you, auntie. I beg you, put it in plastic. I beg you. Next time you eat 50 from me. Yeah. Ellie is avoiding the rain. You cold? But I'm here and he's talking about cold, Ellie. Folks, it's just a rainy day, seriously. Yeah, today just been raining throughout, and then having those items here for the school children, they're so challenging. Yeah, again it rain, you know, the rain sees bit before you look, it started raining. You see the bit before you look, it started raining all along. And yesterday women, you know, stay struggling hard to support the children. Yeah, all of these women sitting here, they are taking responsibility home. Seriously. And then school is opening, supporting the children, feeding them, you know, clothing them, you know, I don't know. And if you check here now, you'll see many of them here that they are single mother. I'll tell you something serious. Many of them here, they are single mother. Yeah, you ask any right now, some of them here are early men know them. Yeah. What? They rinse not to cease. Seriously, they rinse not to cease. Just really throughout. But you make us to come here. You make us to come here. Oh. But don't say better just more. They all are mon part. They accept my mon part. That's what you. No. Ellie, you are the cause. Huh? You gotta eat? Everybody just fighting their hard, getting the stuff. See, the rain is wetting this one and also leaking from here, wetting it. Wow. You're stealing from the rain. So that place safe? Just getting wet. Oh, you're going to? Folks, everybody escaping from the rain. Everybody escaping, so I need to come up too. You see how I'm looking now? So we are getting the children material today. Actually, everything is good. See how I'm looking right now? Because it's raining. It's actually raining, seriously. So we got to escape the rain. No, I'm staying here yet. I'm staying here yet. Yeah, so other people see here, you know, tell you something real. Many of them here, they are single mothers. So they will say they are just standing in the rain. Today was the market day. Today was Voinjama market day. Today was Friday. Edo soup. Any? Edo soup is very nice. You can get some Edo, right? Wow. Say that? We should buy it from here. Ellie is trying to figure out somebody because that person is standing there. She's granny. She's grandma. Yeah. So Ellie got to figure. What? I should get 250, right? Bring it. Bring her plenty. No problem. She's a hustler. Yeah, no. No, I gotta make my shirt steam because the money not there. Yeah, folks, she's like saying I should not be myself sheen. I gotta be myself sheen. The money is not there. Yeah. Instead of her saying, don't be yourself small, so I should not be myself sheen. Yeah, you know, that's my brain language. Yeah. Folks, it just been raining throughout. Yeah, raining all along. So now paying for this stuff here, we are like getting this one for $250. Yeah, this is a plenty. Yeah, Ellie will prepare this with the Ello, but Ellie is feeling cold right now. No, she said 250. She said my girl 250. She agreed already. No, I wanna make myself she. No, this one, the red one. Eh? Okay, no problem. Also, you're waiting for it?
Thank you.
All right. But why the little boy in the rain? Huh? The little boy getting wet. Huh? But yeah, when the child getting wet. Yeah, wipe the face. Huh? Well, what the father? Oh, the father don't have him? Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. You gotta help the men to support the children also. This one here. Oh, I'm for inside here. Alright folks, so you are joining my YouTube channel. Can you subscribe? This is Brother Sherry. We are coming live from Voinjama market. This is the market, but the market is actually going out now. So wow. Yes. So the market is actually going out. Yes, see it is really cool. Why you are making yourself like that, Eileen? Huh? Wow. What's your name? Huh? Grace? You in school? Not in school? You graduate? No. You did not go to school? Okay. So you always stay here? So yes, there's also organic foods, those soups and other things, right? Is happening here also? Okay, what your favorite soup? Can you tell me? The soup you like? Kasawali what? Agoya Kasawali? No, I really wanted to say Kasawali Tobogi. Oh, you Mende? Okay, Mende Kisi. Okay, that's from Fahun, right? Yeah. From Fahun. Yeah, that's the area that we'll be taking our next trip. Oh, that's your sister-in-law. And so you got many brothers. Wow. So we can get ready now and go.